beautiful? Isn't the lace melting? And guess what? She is completely 100% glueless. Better yet, productless. That means no Got2Be, no sprays, no tapes, just a little hack that I'm going to be showing you guys in today's video. Let's get right into the tutorial. Hello everyone, what's good, what's poppin'? Welcome back to my channel. Now for this glueless tutorial, all you need, right, is an elastic band. This one I got from Walmart. It's just a regular sewing elastic band. You will also need needle and thread because we're going to be sewing this elastic band onto our closure unit. It's the elastic band that's going to be acting as a glue to hold down our wig. So here's a look at the closure before I have sewed down the elastic band. So I'm just going to go in on both sides at the edge of the closure and sew on that elastic band. I'm just showing you guys again because I couldn't really show you while I was sewing it on and come back and show you what it looks like once sewn on. So here is the elastic band sewn onto both sides. I use blue thread so you can see. I sew it right at the edge of the ending of the closure. And now we have a little like headband situation. But what I like to do now is cut that in half. So I have something to like kind of really tie onto my head to give me really nice and secure fit. It's this headband that's going to work as the glue in a way, and it's going to help get the lace to be really laid onto our head without using any product. Disclaimer though, there's two factors that makes this very effective. One, having a really good HD lace like I do with this wig. This is HD lace. And second, this can work on frontals, but I find I get the best results doing this on closures because sometimes with frontals, the side does need to be glued down, but you know, if this is like a middle part frontal, then yeah, you can definitely go ahead and do this without having any issues. But I feel like this works best for a closure. Now onto the rest of the installation of the hair. As you can see, I did go ahead and still tint the lace even though it is HD. I always use my foundation to tint my lace regardless of HD, transparent, Swiss. That's just how I get the best match in my opinion. But after that, it was really simple. I just went ahead and used used Eco Styler for my baby hairs. But this was a really fast and easy install, and reinstalling was really easy too. I literally just slap the wig on, tie the back nice and secure, and I'm good to go. This is sweat proof because nothing to really sweat off. I would say you might get some sliding because nothing really holding it down besides God and gravity. So keep that in mind. But besides that, she's good to go all day without any product. So enjoy the rest of the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in another one.
I got my peaches out in Georgia, Georgia, Georgia. I got my peaches out in Georgia, Georgia, Georgia. I got my peaches out in Georgia, Georgia, Georgia. I got my peaches out in Georgia, Georgia. I got my peaches out in Georgia. Oh yeah, shit. I get my weed from California. That's that shit. I took my chick up to the north, yeah. Badass bitch. I get my light right from the source, yeah. Yeah, that's it. And I see the way I breathe you in. It's the texture of your skin. I wanna wrap my arms around you, baby, never let you go. And I see there's nothing like your touch. It's the way you lift me up. Yeah, and I'll be right here with you till the end. I got my peaches out in Georgia. Oh yeah, shit. I get my weed from California. That's that shit. I took my chick up to the north, yeah. Badass bitch. I get my light right from the source, yeah. Yeah, that's it. for removal. I got my peaches out in Georgia. Oh yeah, shit. I get my weed from California. That's that shit. I took my chick up to the north, yeah. Badass bitch. I get my light right from the source, yeah. Yeah, that's it. I get the feeling, so I'm sure. And in my hand because I'm yours. I can't pretend, I can't ignore you right from me. Don't think you wanna know just where I've been. Oh, I'll be distracted. All I need is right in my arms. Your kisses taste the sweetest with my mind. And I'll be right here with you till the end. I got my peaches out in Georgia. Yeah, shit. I get my weed from California. That's that shit. I took my chick up to the north, yeah. Badass bitch. I get my light right from the source, yeah. Yeah, that's it. I got my peaches out in Georgia. Yeah, shit. I get my weed from California. That's that shit. I took my chick up to the north, yeah. Badass bitch. I get my light right from the source, yeah. Yeah, that's it. I got my peaches out in Georgia. Oh yeah, shit. I get my weed from California. That's that shit. I took my chick up to the north, yeah. Badass bitch. I get my light right from the source, yeah. Yeah, that's it. I got my peaches out in Georgia, Georgia. I got my peaches out in Georgia, Georgia. I got my peaches out in Georgia, 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 Georgia. I got my peaches out in Georgia, Georgia. I got my peaches out in Georgia. Oh yeah, shit. I get my weed from California. That's that shit. I took my chick up to the north, yeah. Badass bitch. I get my light right from the source, yeah. Yeah, that's it. And I see the way I breathe you in. It's the texture of your skin. I wanna wrap my arms around you, baby, never let you go. Oh, and I see there's nothing like your touch. It's the way you lift me up, yeah. And I'll be right here with you till the end. I got my peaches out in Georgia. Oh yeah, shit. I get my weed from California. That's that shit. I took my chick up to the north, yeah. Badass bitch. I get my light right from the source, yeah. Yeah, that's it. You enjoy it.